Hi everyone! Today I'll be showing you how to make a fresh quinoa salad. You'll need to add 2 cups of water to a small pot and 1 cup of quinoa. Bring to a boil and then cover and simmer for about 15 minutes. You'll need corn, salt, cilantro, onion, tomato, and lime. Cut all of your ingredients and use as much as you'd like. Go ahead and add everything into a bowl. And then mix together. You can even chill in the fridge for a couple hours and eat it cool, or you can enjoy it warm. I hope you enjoy the salad as much as I do.